He is from Los, Tennessee, and is driven by Joseph Donald. Thank you, Joseph, for coming out today. Appreciate it. Nice looking tractor you got there. Next up is Marcus Bell, over 1960, MF35. I'm looking for the restoration there on that tractor. He's in Mount Juliet, Tennessee. Thank you, Marcus, for coming out. Fine job on the little nice work in there. Looking good. All right, next up is the 1974 model 1000 Ford tractor. And he is Jackson Cullen, and he is also the driver today. I probably just announced your name, but I appreciate you being here. Sharp as a tack. We really like the little Ford there. It really looks good. Good job. All right, we got a John Deere Yield, 1949 by Jackson, and he's from Millwood, Kentucky. Well, thank you so much. That's a beautiful restoration, little Liam. And appreciate you coming in with us from Kentucky today. Thanks for being here. Looks great. Next up, the 1954 Ford Long Helen, and it's driven by Gary. I don't think that's right. I don't believe that was right. But anyway, thank you so much. They are sharp as a tack. You haven't seen those little Fords, you need to get around and look at them. They do a fantastic job of doing those little tractors. Tom Ellis was that from 1957. Nice Harris tractor. Now that's a little Ford tractor. Got this out of line. Watch that fellow right there. Tom Hill, he's 57, nice and Harris, has the work tractor. Tom Hill's driving, and he restores tractors and does a fine job on it. Appreciate that. All the hard work he's doing on those. All right, next is 1949 Model 8 Farmall. James Carter, he's from Lebanon, Tennessee. Came a little late to be with us today. Thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it. Fine looking little late you got there. All right, next up is a 1944 Model D case. This is Jordan Hall. We already talked about that. This is our favorite tractor right here. Appreciate you being there. That thing runs like a sewing machine. You haven't heard it, be sure to get up and have a look. Gordon's been in the Wilson County Club for a long, long time. And it does a great job. We appreciate you, Gordon. All right, we got a 1962 460 Farmall. Good Carson. Tennessee. They're very active members in the Wilson County Club and do a great job. Most of the time when they go to the show, they come home with a prize, come down and up. Great job. Appreciate you, Paul. All right, next is 1947. John Deere B. Boyd Howland from Lebanon. Lord, we appreciate you so much. Got one of the sharpest little B John Deeres that you'll see anywhere. Got a three-legged dog that goes how to drive. Appreciate you being with us, boy. All right, 1954 Farmall Super UPA. 18 Tracror, sharper attack. I always like to see it nice. Super MPA, and this is Tommy again from Lebanon, Tennessee. Appreciate you being with us. He came a good way to be with us today. Thank you, sir. We appreciate that. Hang on right there just a second. You'll see a sharp little 1939 B farm ball. This is it right here. Stephen Den, is that right? Todd? Thank you, Stephen. We appreciate you being here. I don't know where you came from. Morgantown, Kentucky. All right. You came a good way. Nice little ride. We appreciate you bringing it down and showing us today. Now we have one of the nice little eels, but there he is on the ground here today. This is Clint Tracror from Lebanon. Clint, we appreciate you bringing that out and showing us today. It's owned by Ricky Haskett, and we certainly appreciate you driving that by, bringing us through the parade today. Next up, Mr. Ricky Haskett and his tractor. Got a 70 model John Deere. If you don't know Ricky, if you've ever been to the fair in Wilson County, you've seen his tractors all over the fairgrounds. He got a lot of them and knows how to restore one. Does a great job. Ricky, we appreciate you being here today. Yeah. Got plenty of help there. You need some more help. Thank you. All right, ladies, we're going to have a ladies skillet throw right up above the sawmill up here. All you ladies need to get on up there. They did a lot of work on setting up that skillet throw, and if you ever want to throw at your husband or you have been throwing at